Welcome to our channel Learn with Us, your ultimate online destination for comprehensive and engaging lessons on various subjects. Our channel is dedicated to providing high quality educational content that is designed to help students excel in their studies. Our channel also aims to cater to lifelong learners and enthusiasts who seek a comprehensive and dynamic learning experience. So, what are the key features of Learn with Us? Our channel offers a vast collection of in-depth online lectures that cover a wide range of topics. Our lessons are crafted to cover essential topics, theories, and practical applications. Another feature of Learn with Us is practical demonstrations. We firmly believe that hands-on learning is a vital component of education. Therefore, our channel features practical demonstrations that allow you to witness concepts in action. Another feature of Learn with Us is fieldwork adventures. We take learning beyond the class by venturing into the real world to explore and investigate various phenomena. So, the educational content of our videos is combining theoretical knowledge with real world experiences to create a holistic learning environment. We upload 3 videos per week. On first day, we upload our theory lecture video, and then on fourth day, we upload a practical explanation video. Then on day 7, we upload a demonstration video of that practical. Subscribe today and embark on an exciting journey of learning and growth. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thank you.